Welcome to your tutorial on managing custom categories in online banking. Learn how to create and delete custom subcategories for your transactions. For the best experience, we recommend you use a laptop or desktop computer. To get started, visit SchoolsFirst FCU.org and log in to online banking. From your home page, select one of your checking or savings accounts. To create a custom subcategory, select a transaction. Click the Category drop-down to view your categories. You'll now be able to make a selection from the Choose a Category window. In the search box, enter a category name. If you can't find a specific category, you'll see a No Matches Found result. You can try different search terms or add a new category. To add a new category, click the Create Category button. In the Create Category pop-up, choose a category type from the Select Main Category drop-down and fill in the Enter Subcategory section. To apply this change to every transaction, select the checkbox labeled Create a Rule to also change this category for future transactions. To only apply the change to this transaction, make sure the box is unchecked. Click Save. You'll receive a pop-up message stating Custom Category Created. You'll also see a pop-up message under your transaction details stating Category Applied. You can also add a category from the Manage Categories option. From the Manage Categories page, select Add Category and follow the steps. To delete a custom category, click the trash can icon next to the category you'd like to delete. You'll receive a message to confirm that you'd like to delete the category. Click Delete. Once the category is deleted, you'll see a message confirming the custom category has been deleted. This feature is also available in mobile banking with similar steps. Thank you for watching our tutorial. We hope you found this video helpful.